Think smarter question. There are 246 students going on a field trip to Penn for Gold. If they are going in vans that hold 9 students each, how many vans are needed? How many students will ride in the van that isn't full? Let's see. So to find out how many vans we need, we're going to divide 246 by 9. 2 is too small, so we're going to start working from 24. So 9 times 2 equals 18. We'll subtract it, and 24 minus 18 equals 6, and then 6 comes down. Let's see. How can we divide 66 by 9? 9 times 5 equals 45. This one is a bit small. What about 7? 9 times 7 is 63, and subtract it, we get 3. That means if we put 9 students in one van, we need 27 vans, and we still have 3 students who cannot get in the van yet. So that means whenever you have this kind of question, it says how many vans are needed. Some students answer as 27, but make sure that we still have 3 students. So total number of vans we need is 27. Always add up 1. It is 28 vans. And 27 vans, we have full students, which is 9 students. But 28th van, we only have 3 students because they are left. So, how many students will ride in the van that isn't full? It is 3.